So today we have a problem which is write an SQL program to find the actual working days including issue date and resolve date from the given dataset. That means in this program, in this problem, we have a ticket dataset, and in this we have ticket ID, ticket issue day, and ticket resolve day. And also we have one holiday dataset in which we have holiday dates. So in this problem, we have to find out the actual working days in resolving a particular ticket. To solve this problem, let's first calculate the total number of days including issue date and resolve date without these holidays. So in this output dataset, we have created one variable called total days including start and end. That means to get these days, we can do resolve date minus issue date plus 1. So this is the number of days a ticket took to resolve without having any holidays. So now let's try to understand how we can subtract the holidays from these days. We have created one more column which is holiday in range. That means we are checking whether is there any holiday occurring between this issue day and resolve day. So for example, for this first row, the issue day is 12/18/2024, whereas result date is 1/7/2025. If we look into our holiday dates, these two dates are lying between this range. So we can say that there are two holidays in this particular range. Again, if we look into the next row, the date is 12/20/2024 and 1/10/2025. If we look into this range and try to find out how many holidays are lying between this range. So again, these two holidays are lying in this range. So that is why our count is 2. So that is how we have calculated holidays in range, and we are getting these numbers. Now to find out the number of working days, we are subtracting total days and holiday in range. That is how we will get the total number of working days. So in this case, when we will subtract 21 minus 2, we will get 19. So the total number of working days to resolve this particular first ticket, we will get 19 days. To resolve this second ticket, it took 20 days. To resolve the third ticket, it took 19 days. And similarly, to resolve the fourth ticket, it took 12 days because we don't have any holidays in this range. We can take out this ticket ID and also this working days, and this is our final output. So we are creating a table called ticket, and in this we have ticket ID, issue date, and resolve date, and we are inserting some values to ticket table, and also we are creating one more table called holiday, and in this we have holiday dates, and we are inserting some dates into this dataset, and also we are printing these two datasets. So let's generate our dataset first. Now let's print this. So you can see now we have these two tables, and let's see how we can complete this task. So we can do this with select a dot star, and because we want the difference of issue date and resolve date, so we can use datediff function, and in datediff we want the output in days, so we have used days, and we want the difference of a dot issue date comma a dot resolve date, and we can name this as difference without holidays, and we want this from ticket table. So let's run, and also we can name this table as A. So let's run this query and see if we are getting this date difference column. So now you can see we have the difference column here, and after that what we can do is because if you will count the number of days between issue date and resolve date, for example this date is 2nd whereas this date is 13, so the number of days between 2nd and 13 including this 2nd and 13 is 12, but in the output we are getting 11, so we also have to add one here. So our formula is resolve date minus issue date plus 1. So let's run this again. So now you can see we are getting the correct difference. Now we want to get the count of holidays that are in this range, issue date and resolve date. So let's see how we can do this. So to achieve this, we can use a subquery, and in this subquery we can do select count of star from holiday, because we want only those counts where the holidays in the range of issue and result date. So we are using, and we can name this table as B, and we can say that where B dot holiday between A dot issue day and A dot result date, and we can say this as holiday days. Now let's run this query. You can see now we have the holiday in days. Now we want the counts of working days. So these are the count without holidays, and these are the holidays in this range. So if we subtract counts without holidays with this holiday, we will get the working days. So we can do this with select ticket ID, comma, because we want the difference of this minus of this. So we are using this as working days from, and we are taking this in our subquery as working days table. So let's run this query and see. So now you can see we have the ticket ID, and also we have the working days for each ticket. So this is how we can solve this problem, and going forward I will be posting few more questions related to SQL. So please subscribe my channel and please like this video. With this actually motivates me to make more videos. So thank you.